Hi everyone, this is the last question for the chapter. This is on page 166 of the workbook, a level 3 question, question 2. In this question looks really complicated, a complicated diagram here with A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D being a trapezium, and you realize you can have either trapeziums in this diagram. You can have A, B, C, F, A, and then you have ABED is a parallelogram. A, B, E, D. Okay, so there are two main shapes here given in the question. So clearly you already start off with I need to know my trapezium properties. And then I also need to know my parallelogram properties. And that will include things like sum of angles between parallel lines is 180, and then also opposite angles are equal. Right, so these are the first two hints that's given here in the question. And then you have BC equals is perpendicular to DC, so that's the 90 degrees given here. And then you have AB equals to AF. Next clue to an isosceles triangle. Oops. Okay, and we have to find two angles, angle P and angle Q. Angle P is part of the isosceles triangle, which you can already identify. The other corner is here. And then angle Q here. Okay, so you have the parallelogram ABED, and then you have the trapezium ABCD. Okay, well, so I'm going to go on to the steps, and I'm going to look at the shapes, the angles here. And just now we mentioned about working backwards. In one of previous questions, we introduced this technique called working backwards. So I look at the missing angle and I try to identify what and where is the path towards it, the step just before it. So in this case, for example, I can find Q first, which involves a straight line property, which is finding this angle first. And to find this angle first, I have to find using the triangle B, C, and E, which is helpful because I have two angles provided. So starting off already, I can find this missing angle here. That is angle BEC using 180 degrees minus 90 degrees, the right angle property, right angle triangle properties. And that will give me the angle 34 degrees. So this one I have already able to find 34 degrees. Then gives me angle Q almost immediately because of the straight line property. So I have been able to find angle Q already. So because I have angle Q, I move on to the next step, which uses the parallelogram, which I can highlight the parallel lines DE and AB, because ABED is that particular parallelogram being referred to. So which means I can have using P here, because this Q, I'm going to indicate here. This angle is the same as angle Q because of the opposite angle. which means I can find, so that's same as Q because of the opposite angle in the parallelogram. Okay, so which means angle BAD is equals to angle Q, which is found in the earlier step. Here, let me write this neatly. Okay. Then from here, I can find the isosceles triangle angle. Here. There is angle BAF, part of the isosceles triangle BAF. So I can try to find angle BAF by using just now's angle Q minus 13 degrees. Okay, so that part here, minus 13 degrees. And that will give me a certain answer. And with that, I found this angle. I can find P by using the isosceles triangle property. So angle P equals to 180 degrees bracket minus the angle here, the value here, divided by 2 because it's an isosceles triangle, divided by 2, and then you'll get your answer for angle P. Right, but through it step by step, you should be getting the answer fairly quickly once you can see the properties in the diagram. Okay, thank you for watching.